Hi, I'm Ann with Integrate AV, and if you have any questions about today's video, please email us education@integrateav.com.au or give us a call 1-800-742-748. Today we're taking a look at widgets. Now you can find widgets in the Whiteboard app on your SMARTBoard. To access widgets in the Whiteboard function, I will come over here to the left navigation pane and select that bottom widget icon, and my range of different tools appear. I can simply select one and it will populate the whiteboard. Tap the whiteboard and there you have your widget to use. Now, you can customize your widget. If you just gently tap the screen, it will put you into edit mode, and your drop-down menu will give you a range of options. If I select settings, that will allow me to go ahead and customize my widget. Now I'm ready to customize my widget. I can even add or take away sections of my widget, and I can just tap where I want to add content. Now, I can even change the color on my widget, and I can go back to adding content. And if I come back up to my drop-down menu, selecting settings will allow me to complete customization of my widget. Now I can also save a widget in my widgets application in case it's one that I use frequently. I will come back to my drop-down menu and select Save to My Widgets. Then when I come back over here into Widgets, I will see that as an option. Here's one I've used many times before for table groups. And there I have it here to bring up at any time easily. I'm not limited to using one widget at a time. I can import different widgets and use them all together in my lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember that Integrate AV offers extensive training and professional development for teachers. We are a registered NESA provider, and we can specifically tailor PD courses to your school's needs. If you would like any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Email us at education@integrateav.com.au or give us a call at 1-800-742-748. Thank you.